Hey, it's Jim with Cloud Bedrock with a quick demo on how to install N8N Community Edition via an easy button using the CribOps CLI. So you'll head on over to GitHub and go to the Cloud Bedrock repo and under CribOps docs. From there, you'll look for the downloads directory and you'll download the CribOps CLI for Windows. Once you've unzipped that, you will have a CribOps CLI MSI file. You'll double click on that to start it, and you'll agree to the license, hit next. You'll get the UAC, hit yes, and that will install it and drop you back to the documentation page. And just click the finish to complete the install. Okay, so now what that has done is installed the CribOps CLI and added it to your path, conveniently enough. So what we'll do is we'll make a directory. So empty directory here, and we're going to run the CribOps CLI. I'll use a -H to give you a help screen, and the new feature we've added is the N8N setup feature. And basically what this does is it generates a Docker Compose. If you just hit enter after N8N setup, it will use all the defaults, so localhost, local default port. But if you're wanting to set additional options, we do have a couple additional features that you can turn on. Setting the time zone, it defaults to America, New York. The N8N host and webhook URL, that's if you're going to put it behind a proxy, HA proxy, reverse proxy, etc. And you need to change the host name that you're going to connect to. But we're just going to use the easy button, and we're going to run the N8N setup by itself. All that's going to do is generate an env file, and it's going to also generate a Docker Compose. So we can edit that env file. And you'll see that all we've done is generated a random password. We've put the default webhook URL and host name, and like I said, the default time zone. So all you have to do at this point is do a Docker Compose up. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at the compose.yaml file. And we're including Postgres. I linked it to 17.4. You can obviously override that to whichever version you'd like. On N8N, I do have the ability to pass in the N8N image yourself. So if you have a local build, you've done a builder on it, you can just pass your image in. If not, it's going to, by default, pull in the latest off of the N8N public repo. You can obviously override this and pin it to a version of your choice, which I would recommend at some point. Here we have the default ports, and it's using the environments to pass in the password that was randomly set for Postgres. So at this point, all you have to do is do a Docker Compose up, and that will start up N8N onto the default port, and there you go. That's it. World's fastest N8N community install.